Namaste, Riddhi this side, and in this video we are going to see about the randomized complete block design Excel tool provided by Agri Analyze. So this Excel tool is for 10 treatments and 4 replication. And the best part about this Excel tool is that it's dynamic in nature. So if I change the values, you can see the results are changing in the right hand side. You will get mean of the treatment standard, deviation of the treatment and standard error. Also you will get ANOVA that will have degrees of freedom, sum of square, means sum of squares, calculated F value, P value and resulted at alpha. So you can set your own alpha. Here our alpha is 0.01 but you can change it to 0.05 or other level of significance. As per your research problem post that you have F table 5% value, result at F table 5% then F table value at 1% and result at 1%. You would also get coefficient of variation, overall mean, standard error of mean, standard error of difference and critical difference value or least significant difference value at 5% and 1%. Moreover, this sheet is for the no transformation but you can also get sheet for square root transformation, arcsine transformation and log transformation. Now let's see how to get this Excel sheet using a Agri Analyze. This is website of Agri Analyze. To get RCBD Excel tool, go to Excel tool then click on design of experiment and then select here one factor RCBD Excel. So now I want Excel tool for 4 replication and 10 treatments. Every researcher has different requirements so they can change the number of replication and treatment as per their requirements. So I will write 4 in replication, 10 in treatments. I want alpha to be 0.05. You can change it later. Also I want no transformation in the sheet but there are options for square root, log and arcsine and also we will see it in the later part of the video. Now we will click on checkout. There is some nominal fee. Post checking out, click on this download button and your Excel tool is downloaded. Now open the file. Click on Enable Editing, select all and press Alt plus H plus O plus I. Now you can see this Excel tool that I got directly from Agri Analyze. And this Excel tool is dynamic in nature. So if I am changing the values then my results on the right hand side are changing also. Let's see how to get Excel tool for transformation. I will again go to the website. So now I want to have a transformation Excel sheet so I will select number of replication 4, again 10 number of treatments, alpha 0.05 and transformation square root. So in square root there are different options available like you want x plus 0.5 square root transformation or x plus 1 square root transformation or you can have different values also. It's up to you. And you can also change this value in the sheet later on. So let's say I want x plus 1 transformation. So I will write 1 here. Then again I will click on checkout. Now click on download and I will give you a tour of Excel sheet with square root transformation. Click on Enable Editing. Now select all and then press Alt H plus O plus I. Now make some little adjustments. So this is our original data. You can change your data or place your data here. This is the transform data. So this is the square root transform data. Here let's say you want to have x plus 1 transformation, so you will write 1 here and 1 here. So this will activate the addition of 1 during transformation. So 66 plus additional value that is 67 and then square root of 67. So 8.18 should be square root of 67. Let's check it out, and you can see it's a square root of 67. Let's say you don't want to have addition of this value 1. Then you can change this C6 to 0, and now it would be the square root of 66 only. So you can have the additional value changed. You can place 0.5 here for x plus 0.5 square root transformation and so on. Now this is the transform data. This is the transform treatment, means their standard deviation and standard error. Also we have retransformed means, so it is basically the square of this and minus 1 if 1 is added. And also we have mean, standard deviation and standard error of the original data set. Here we have the ANOVA of the transform data, where we have degrees of freedom, sum of squares, mean sum of squares, f value, p value, then result at alpha. So here we have placed our alpha value 0.05, but we can change this to 1% also. If you want to change alpha to 1%, then it would be 0.01 here, and our alpha will get changed. Then we have f table value at 5%, result at 5%, f table value at 1%, result at 1%. We also have overall mean, coefficient of variation, standard error of mean, standard error of difference, and critical difference or least significant difference value at 5% and 1%. So this was all about the square root transformation RCBD Excel sheet. I hope you like this feature of Agri Analyze. Thank you for watching this video.